Hey, I'm Andrew coming to you today with 3 tips to negotiate your business insurance. When it comes to protecting your business, insurance is not just a box to check. Property and liability insurance is a major investment, and just like any investment, you should approach it strategically. The good news is that today, small businesses have more room to negotiate with insurance carriers than you might realize. By preparing the right information and presenting it in the right fashion to the insurance company, you can often secure better terms, better coverage, better pricing, and build better relationships with your insurance partners. So let me give you 3 quick tips. Use your prior loss history or claim history as a story of improvement. Insurance carriers place a ton of weight on prior insurance claims that you've experienced. So if you have experienced losses in the past, don't just hand over your loss run report to an insurance agent, but use that as an opportunity to show growth. Explain what happened, what was learned from the incident, and most importantly, what steps you're taking to prevent the likelihood of future similar issues or future claims. For example, if you've had prior slip and fall claims, highlight how you've improved safety, how you've added signage or put in protocols to prevent claims like that happening in the future. Turning loss history into a story of proactive improvement can really help show an underwriter that you're serious about managing risk and that you're going to be lower risk moving forward. Number 2 is adjust your deductibles strategically. Sometimes negotiating rates isn't just about asking for a lower price or saying, hey, we need a lower price, but it's about finding the right balance between the risk that you have to protect against and the cost of the insurance. So by selecting a slightly higher deductible, you may be able to negotiate better rates with the insurance companies as the underwriter understands that you're going to share in that risk with them, with them as far as the insurance goes more. A trade-off with a difference in deductible can end up saving you thousands of dollars in premium over time, depending on your claim track record. So use that as a tool in negotiating, and that helps the underwriter understand that you have a lot of skin in the game. Last but not least, compare your options, but go beyond just the price. It's natural to shop around for the best premium, and there's a million insurance companies out there that would love to sell you insurance. But don't make the mistake of comparing quotes just based on the price. 2 policies with the same premium may provide very different levels of coverage. So when you're talking with your insurance company, ask about the details. What kinds of exclusions are included on the policy? What are my other options available? Do I have the opportunity to bundle and obtain more discounts? Or what does an underwriter want to see to give us better coverage or more flexibility with the insurance policy? So by looking at just the bottom line premium, you may be making a mistake. Choose the right policy that accurately protects the exposures of your small business. As a final thought, negotiating business insurance doesn't mean having to go toe-to-toe with the insurance company every year at your renewal. It means preparing your story, highlighting your strengths, and understanding your options. Small businesses that take the time to approach insurance in this fashion often end up with the better end of the deal. Here at Briggs Agency, we would love to talk with you and help you explore your options. Click on the link below to get the conversation started.